What's happening, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Adam and this is Vancity Audi. We're back at the one and only Titanium Strip Mission Raceway Park because I've been invited, as well as my friends, to the Tunezilla private rental. Tunezilla is a local custom tuning shop for Volkswagens and for Audis, and they're putting on this event, so thank you very, very much to them for the invite. In behind me, you guys may recognize this RS6. I had this exact same car on the channel not too long ago, actually, earlier in the year, and we dyno tested this thing at Racing Greed on a Unitronic Stage 1 Plus tune. Wow, over 700 wheel horsepower. This thing is a freaking monster. It has the exact same tune and the exact same bolt-on parts as that video. E-Venturi turbo inlet and E-Venturi air intake, as well as Red Star downpipes. So today we're back out at the drag strip because we want to see what it can do in the quarter mile. Who cares about dyno numbers? I want to see how quick and how fast it is. So today he's going to rip it down the track a bunch of times. I'll catch all the footage and we'll see how quick it can go. The only downside about today is it's super hot. I'm sweating like a pig out here, and we're sitting at 2400 DA. Ugh. Now I know for some of you out there watching that DA is great for where you live, but for us it's terrible. It's really humid. So I'm hoping for a 10, I'm hoping for a high 10, maybe a 10.9. I've seen other cars do it with similar modifications, so we're gonna find out.
The fast life, the fast living. They see the ambition, they know I'm past driven. Look, we are not the same, this is not a game. I've been swerving through the city in and out of lanes. Yeah, cause if I see it, then I want it, then you.
There you have it, guys. A bunch of passes out of this monster 4-liter twin-turbo V8 making over 700 wheel horsepower. And you guys saw it here, consistently running 10.8s at 131, 132 miles per hour at like 2400 DA. Now with that said, it got a little lower as the night went on. I think we finished tonight at about 2000 DA. So still crazy ass impressive. This thing weighs like 5,000 pounds, I think. That is nuts. So much power, so much torque. I love this thing. Unitronic Stage 1 Plus with a few bolt-ons running high 10s in a family station wagon. Just unreal. Thank you so much to the owner of this vehicle for coming out yet again, showing us how it's done. Thank you so much to Tunezilla for the invite. This was a blast, guys, and until next time, take care.